My name is Tal Raviv, and I'm the founder and medical director of the Eye Center of New York. At the Eye Center of New York, we focus almost exclusively on cataract surgery and different types of lens replacement. Cataract surgery sounds like something maybe your grandmother had or your grandfather, but cataract surgery has come a long way. It's a lifestyle enhancing surgery these days, and many people are choosing to get it done before their cataracts, and we call that refractive lens exchange or lens replacement. What's beautiful about cataract surgery is we can fix a bunch of chronic problems with one procedure. It's a very rapid recovery surgery because we're using primarily laser to perform the surgery now, whereas in the past it was all manual. I've been in practice for over 23 years in New York City. As of this filming, I've done about 17,000 cataract surgeries, not just eye surgeries that people put in and lasers. These are specifically cataract surgeries, each with a lens implant. By having done so many cases, I have the breadth of knowledge to take care of every type of cataract in every type of setting. By also being involved with industry and being on the podium and presenting and learning from my colleagues, I'm able to stay at the top of the game. Many of our patients, this is their first surgery they've ever had in their body. For others, it's their 50th. Each surgery is different. We have cataract surgery in an 18-year-old versus cataract surgery in a 100-year-old. Ultimately, all of us here want the same thing for our patients. We want to take them through the pre-op consultation, through the surgery, and through their post-op visits into their new transformed vision in an easy, happy, and exciting way. I'm able to give the highest level of not just surgical outcome, but complication management. And the mark of a good surgeon or a great surgeon is a surgeon that can prevent complications and knows how to manage just about every possible complication. Another thing that makes us unique is, I'm honored that many ophthalmologists, cataract surgeons, optometrists, not to mention surgeons from other fields, choose us and choose me to do their cataract surgery. When you're choosing a surgeon for your cataract surgery, why not choose a practice which only specializes and focuses on cataract surgery? We're proud to be independent physicians, looking out for our patients' interests. We're all aligned in that. That's the way medicine's been done for generations. And we hope you join us on the journey.